Hi, Tormod here, and I would like to debate the matter of judgment. How we as human beings judge things, how I have been judging things. There is this quote that I keep reminding myself of every now and then. And that is a quote that goes like, "What you judge, you will become." One more time. What you judge, you will become. Like there's an automatic judgment directed towards self of what I might judge of another. If I judge another, then that judgment or shitpack or blame or guilt or whatever is also automatically stored and reflected back on myself as a human being. Now it goes a little bit like this here, because there is one of these sentences, the golden rules that it's called. Do unto others like you want done unto yourself. Meaning I should do to my neighbor, my friend, my brother, my whomever, I should do against whomever the way that I would like to be treated myself. This is part of the golden rule. And with that being such a deep imprint of the human experience, this goes beyond any, what shall I say, man-made other types of law, meaning that this earth we are floating on, this mirror of ourselves. What did I say there? This mirror of ourselves, right? This earth, what is this earth really? Big question, big serious question. I mean, if anything at all, this earth is reflecting back to me myself, my thoughts, my ideas, my imagination, my judgments, my emotions, my insights, all about me is all the time reflected back on me from my neighbor, from my earth, from the earth where I live on top of, where I have my food every day, and I have all the things that I have provided by earth, naturally, without charge. I mean, if earth gives us food without charging us for it, and how do we behave again? What you judge, you will become. If you point at another and judge them for their appearance, for their skin color, for their wallet or lack of wallet, if you judge another being for whatever reason, that sentence, you are sentencing yourself to that specific judgment. You are sentencing yourself with the judgment sentence within your mind, within your being, within your body. Sentencing yourself to that particular dimension of judgment. Imprisoning self. So, are we all just cases of self-judgment and depression? Maybe, But then again, there's self-forgiveness. Haha, congratulations, you're welcome. Because we have been living on this earth and pointing at China, USA, Germany, Japan, Russia, whatever, and judging systems, judging people, judging cultures, all these things where we point and we judge and we criticize and we spit at and we piss at. It is all, if sooner or later, and today more and more, we might say, call it insta-karma, it's reflected back at ourselves. If we live and judge and throw shit around, that shit is hitting back more frequent, more consequential today than before, because we are, equalizing and realizing that this earth is a reflection of me, of my inside, my secrets, my projections, my darkness, my brightness, my thoughts, my desires, my dreams, my emotions, my fears, all that have constituted my living, my programming, my psychology, is reflected back at me. So, big deal, I would say. Instead of judging another being for their makeup, for their car, for their whatever, we judge from their diagnosis, from their greed, from their lack of care, from their greediness, from their, whatever we find that is lacking with another human being is actually something we are judging ourselves for. What you judge, you will become. So what's the answer to that? I've said it already. Do unto others like you want to be treated yourself. To anybody and everyone. If we all can start living that golden rule more, what shall I say, more real, then we would have a totally new and awesome reality for all to experience equally. So, remember that. When you have that sneaky little judging thought in the back of your mind, of judging another person for their appearance, or for their mind, or for their diagnosis, or for their car, or for their lack of politeness, remember that what you judge, you will become. Thank you very much, and enjoy.